How to make eye contact that attracts women and builds instant connection. Eye contact is one of the most powerful tools of attraction. It can create instant chemistry, build deep connections, and make you stand out from the crowd. Yet, many men struggle with how to use eye contact effectively. Either they avoid it altogether, making them seem shy or uninterested, or they overdo it, which can come off as intense or even unsettling. Mastering eye contact isn't about staring someone down or playing mind games. It's about understanding the subtle balance that makes interactions feel natural, exciting, and magnetic. In this article, we'll break down the art of eye contact step by step, so that you can build an irresistible presence that women find attractive. 1. Why eye contact matters. When you lock eyes with someone, it activates a psychological response that can spark attraction. Studies in human behavior have shown that maintaining good eye contact can increase feelings of intimacy and trust. It's a non-verbal way of saying, "I see you, I'm confident, and I'm interested." Women are naturally drawn to confident men, and eye contact is one of the most powerful signals of confidence. When done right, it can create an almost electric connection, making you instantly more attractive without saying a single word. 2. The right balance. Confidence versus creepy. Getting eye contact right is all about balance. If you avoid eye contact completely, it signals insecurity or lack of interest. On the other hand, staring too intensely can make someone feel uncomfortable. The key is to hold eye contact naturally and with a relaxed energy. Instead of locking eyes in a fixed, intense stare, think of it as a soft gaze. Engage, but don't overpower. If she holds your gaze for a moment and then looks away, she may be interested. If she looks away and avoids meeting your eyes again, it's a sign to back off. 3. How long to hold eye contact? One of the most common questions is, how long should I hold eye contact? The answer depends on the situation. In a casual setting, holding eye contact for about 3 to 5 seconds is ideal. If she maintains eye contact longer, reciprocate with a confident and relaxed gaze. If she looks away and then looks back at you, it's a good sign she's interested. The key is not to rush to look away first. Many men make the mistake of breaking eye contact too soon, which can come across as nervousness. Hold her gaze for a moment longer than feels comfortable, then naturally shift your focus. 4. The power of a smile. A slight smile paired with eye contact can completely change the dynamic of an interaction. It softens your gaze and makes you appear more approachable and friendly. Imagine making eye contact with someone who has a cold, blank expression. It can feel intimidating. But if you add even a subtle smile, the interaction instantly feels warm and inviting. This is the kind of energy that draws people in. Next time you're making eye contact with a woman, let a small, natural smile appear on your lips. It will make the moment feel more personal and engaging. 5. Reading her response. Eye contact is a two-way interaction, and reading her reaction is just as important as making the initial connection. Here are some key signals to look for. She holds eye contact and smiles. Strong interest. She's engaged and open to interaction. She looks down shyly and then back up. She's interested but may be a little nervous. She looks away quickly and avoids further eye contact. Likely not interested, best to move on. She mirrors your eye contact patterns. A great sign of connection and attraction. By being aware of these subtle signals, you'll be able to gauge interest and adjust accordingly. 6. Using the triangle method. A great trick to make your eye contact more engaging and natural is the triangle method. Instead of staring directly into her eyes the entire time, shift your gaze subtly between her eyes and lips in a triangle pattern. Look into her left eye for a second. Shift to her right eye for a second. Briefly glance at her lips and return to her eyes. This method creates a sense of intimacy and attraction without making your gaze feel too intense or forced. It's an effortless way to add depth to your eye contact. 7. Building confidence in eye contact. If you struggle with holding eye contact, practice is key. Start with small steps. Make eye contact with cashiers, waiters, and strangers in everyday situations. Hold eye contact slightly longer than usual when talking to friends and colleagues. Practice in front of a mirror or record yourself to observe your natural gaze. Over time, this will become second nature, and you'll develop a confident, effortless way of connecting with people. 8. Avoiding nervous habits. Nervous habits like darting eyes, blinking too much, or looking at the ground can weaken your presence. Here are some tips to eliminate these habits. Take deep breaths to stay relaxed. Slow down your movements and avoid fidgeting. Focus on the other person rather than overanalyzing yourself. By training yourself to be more present in the moment, your eye contact will feel natural and self-assured. 9. Group versus one-on-one eye contact. Your approach to eye contact should adjust depending on the setting. In group conversations, make eye contact with everyone periodically, not just one person. This shows confidence and inclusivity. In one-on-one interactions, hold steady but relaxed eye contact to build connection. Being aware of the social context ensures your eye contact feels appropriate and engaging. 10. Final tips and common mistakes. To wrap it up, here are some final takeaways to help you master eye contact. Relax and be natural. Avoid forcing eye contact. Let it flow naturally. Don't overthink it. The more comfortable you are, the better your eye contact will be. Be aware of your body language. Eye contact is more powerful when paired with open, confident posture. Adapt to the situation. Context matters. Adjust your gaze based on the setting and the person's response. Avoid these common mistakes. Looking away too quickly. It signals nervousness and uncertainty. Staring too long. It can feel aggressive or uncomfortable. Forgetting to blink. Natural blinking keeps your gaze feeling authentic. Final thoughts. Eye contact is one of the simplest yet most powerful tools of attraction. When used correctly, it can create instant chemistry, build deeper connections, and make you stand out in any social setting. Mastering the art of eye contact isn't about tricks or manipulation. It's about developing genuine confidence and presence. When you approach interactions with relaxed, engaging eye contact, you'll naturally attract women and make meaningful connections. Start practicing today, and you'll be amazed at how much of a difference it makes in your interactions. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to subscribe, and turn on the notification bell, so you don't miss any new videos. Let us know your thoughts about this video in the comment section down below, and feel free to stay and enjoy it until the end. Also make sure to check out our next highlighted video, and we will see you next time. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.